Hello everyone! Welcome to this comprehensive beginner's guide on KidsGuard for Line. In this video, we will take you through all the steps to easily monitor someone's Line account. It's important to note that you should only use this for legitimate purposes, such as keeping an eye on your children or loved ones. Step 1. Account registration and purchase. To get started, the first thing you need to do is register an account on the ClevGuard website. Once you've done that, make sure to purchase the KidsGuard for Line program that suits your needs. Step 2. Download and install KidsGuard for Line on target device. After you've registered and purchased the program, the next step is to download and install KidsGuard for Line on the target Android device. The entire process should take about 3 to 5 minutes. Open your device's browser and visit Line. ClevGuard. Download and install the app. Once it's installed, open the app and select Agree to the privacy policy. Sign into your ClevGuard account. Enter the necessary personal information for the target device. Step 3. Complete the permissions required for the application. This process will also take about 3 to 5 minutes. For your convenience, you need to enable floating windows for this app during setup so that you can quickly get back to the configuration. Disable Google Play Protect. Tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Disable these two options. Then return to the app. 2. Activate accessibility. Tap Installed Apps option. Toggle on Line service, then tap Allow. 3. Activate app supervision. Find Line service and tap it. 4. Activate notification access. Allow notification access for Line service. 5. Enable administrator access. 6. Activate screen capture. Tap on Start Now, just keep allowing the permission, and tap on the Start Now or the Allow button. 7. Activate storage access. 8. Activate data access. Tap Allow All. 9. Ignore the battery optimization. Congratulations! You've successfully completed all the permissions configuration. Click Start Monitoring. And the application will be hidden automatically. You won't be able to find the application icon on the home screen of the target device. Now it's time to start monitoring. Place the target phone back in its original position. Then, open your computer or mobile device, return to the ClevGuard website, access your member center, click on My Products, and finally, click Start Monitoring. Data synchronization will begin, and you can now enjoy your surveillance journey, gaining insight into all Line activities. Well, that concludes our guide to using KidsGuard for Line to monitor Line accounts. Please remember to use this tool responsibly and respect privacy. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. We're here to help. See you in the next video.